San Diego. Welcome to San Diego. 6 lanes and 2 express ones. Guys, so at the moment I'm driving from Ontario, California to load some vegetables from San Diego, and as you can see, this is the yard that you're going to see in a few minutes, and you can see that I'm close, a few feet away from the border with Mexico, and close to Tijuana, one of the biggest cities in Mexico and one of the interesting ones where things happen. So after I will load, I will be on my way to Toronto. I will take the Interstate 8 and go close to the border with Mexico. I was able to make some pictures, to take some pictures with the wall that one of the presidents built there. It's an incredible wall. I don't know what's the real purpose, because in California most of the people that live there, they are Mexicans, so why? But that's not our problem. So my first night I spent after I left from my loading point in Yuma, and then I went all the way to Phoenix, Albuquerque, Oklahoma. I went through Missouri, Indiana, Indianapolis, Ohio, and Michigan. I crossed the border in Detroit, Ambassador Bridge. You will see that in one of my videos too, and I arrived in Toronto. So stay tuned to see all of my trips that I made in the last days. Subscribe and like. Thank you. have the airport in front. San Diego Airport.
Turn right at the traffic light.
So we arrived at our loading place. It's close to the Mexican border. I'll put some pictures that you will see the fence between Mexico and US. It's amazing how that fence looks like. like a stupid thing. So from here, from San Diego, I will go next to Toronto. Stay tuned to my channel and you will see my trip to Toronto. It's a long trip, about 4 days, so stay tuned. Subscribe and like. Bye guys.